sunrise. It's an event for all seniors at May River. It kind of like insinuates the start of senior year, like the sun rising is like the start of the year. And it's kind of just an event to get us all together at the beginning of the year, build friendships to last the whole year, and just celebrate being seniors.
I think it's really great because it kind of builds a little bit more of a bond, hang out and see some of the classmates you may not see all the time.
It's just a good kind of like social gathering to promote some camaraderie as the year starts, and it's just good to, you know, get people talking, get people spirited about being a senior, happy to finally be old.
Movie star.
Yeah.
We have opportunities to take pictures, and we have donuts and refreshments, and our yearbook staff is here to do some media.
All right, ready? 1.
I'm looking forward to soccer season, of course, and other than that, just making new friends and really trying to soak in all the last memories.
So cute. Oh yeah.
I'm probably most looking forward to just all the senior events and the fun things that we get to do, and probably committing to a college. So.
My favorite part is probably going to be football games. Really just any like sports event where you have a nice sized student section. It's going to be hype, it's going to be awesome, should be a good time.
I think it's just going to be a great senior year because of the group of people that we have. I've gone to school with some of these kids since kindergarten, and it's just a great group of people, everyone in our grade, and they're just so fun. So I think it's really great to gather here and get to have some fun and share some memories.
So cute.
Yeah.